Welcome to the breast tutorial series. Let's see how to set the Vivo 3 for high-flow nasal therapy. First we go to Setup. When you select Setup, you will see on the first row all the ventilation modes. You select the first row with the arrow down, and with the right arrow you scroll through the different ventilation modes. And after CPAP you will see high-flow nasal therapy. There is only one setting for high-flow nasal therapy, which is the flow setting. To change the flow setting, you use the arrow down to select the setting. And with the left and right arrows you can change the setting. When you press Next, you will see the applicable alarms. There is a circuit disconnection alarm, and there is a blocked circuit alarms. Both of them are on. If you want to turn them off, you highlight them, and with the left arrow you can turn them off. If you want to turn them back on, you use the right arrow. And then simply press Confirm, and the device is ready to deliver high-flow nasal therapy at a flow of 40 liters per minute. Now when the device is active, the blue graph will indicate the applicable liters per minute. If you want to change the flow during treatment, just go to the setting, change the flow, and the new setting will immediately become active. It is important to know that Vivo 3 can be used with up to 30 liters per minute of added oxygen, which you bleed in on the back side of the device. It is also important to know that the total flow which you set should always be higher than the added O2 flow which you bleed into the device. To turn the Vivo 3 off, you simply press the on-off button. Let's take a closer look at some of the specifications of the Vivo 3 when being used for high-flow nasal therapy. When you use the Vivo 3 for high-flow nasal therapy, you connect the backside of the Vivo, the air outlet, to an external heated humidifier which then goes to the patient, and the high-flow nasal therapy is delivered through the nasal cannula. There is a possibility to add oxygen to the treatment, where up to 30 liters per minute of O2 can be bleeding on the backside of the device. When using the Vivo 3 for high-flow nasal therapy, the integrated humidifier cannot be used, and we recommend to use an external heated humidifier. The Vivo 3 is able to deliver a flow rate from 4 up to 60 liters per minute. This flow can contain up to 30 liters per minute of oxygen. FiO2 cannot be measured by the Vivo 3. The Vivo 3 has a number of alarms which can be used during high-flow nasal therapy. There's an alarm for a blocked circuit, there's an alarm for a disconnection of the circuit, and in case an SpO2 sensor is connected and in use, there are alarms for high and low SpO2 as well as heart rate. Next to high-flow nasal therapy, the Vivo 3 allows to use it for invasive and non-invasive ventilation, pressure support, pressure control, ST mode, as well as CPAP. When you add oxygen during high-flow nasal therapy, with Vivo 3, the FiO2 which you will reach will depend on the total flow in combination with the applied oxygen flow. For the same amount of oxygen, an increase in total flow will make the FiO2 decrease. For a constant total flow, an increase in oxygen flow will also increase the resulting FiO2. We hope you enjoyed this short video. For more information and videos on how to use our Vivo home care ventilators, please visit our website educationbybrius.com. Thank you for watching.